Hey guys, welcome to this video. Now in this video, I'll show you how to use your Periscope description, your bio, as a marketing tool. How to use it in order to drive people to your website, to share the message that is going straight to the heart of your client or your potential clients in this case, right? Because the goal is to drive more people to your website, to your landing page, so they become your clients and potential leads for your marketing, okay? So here we are on the Periscope app on my phone. If we click here on the lower right-hand side, and after that we see here right now my profile, okay? This is the profile, and you see the picture, my name, my username, and below that we have a description saying, hey, amazing courses that will help you to revolutionize your life and your finances. And you see a website there. So why this is great? Because every time somebody discover my user, my profile on Periscope, the first thing they do is they go to my profile to see the description, to see other videos that I may have. And by having this description here, I am sharing with my audience exactly what's my goal. If you need to share with your audience in 2-3 lines, what's your goal, what's your company about, how you can help them, do that here on your Periscope description area, okay? Let me go edit here at the top right hand side. So here you see picture, your name, your username. You can change that here at any time. You can choose any other usernames, and you have your description here. So also you will be sharing here the message that reach the heart of your audience, right? And also include here your website. That's important. If you don't have any character left, because there is a limit of characters here, Periscope changes all the time. It was 160 characters. So when you come back here, if it's a different, you can customize your message for sure. But if your URL is too long, you can use a URL shortener. You go to Google and search for URL shortener. Bitly is one good option, which is free, and you can create a small link to your website. You see here that my website is here, diegodavila.com. So basically, every time somebody new comes to my profile, they will see what my company is about, what my videos, my stream, my Periscope sessions will be about. So they will read this and they will say, yes, I want to see more of this guy. I want to see more of this company. And also I include my website here. Of course, you can include other links here. You can include a link to your landing page. Instead of this message, you can say, for example, let's say you teach about your goal, your niche is about travel to Europe, let's say, hiking all over Europe. So you can say, hey, instead of having this description here, amazing courses that will help you to revolutionize your life, you can have something like, download here the top 10 hiking spots on Europe that you can do it right now, or something like that. I mean, something that is appealing to your audience, and you share the link and you drive them to your landing page. Do you know what I mean? And when they go to a landing page, they will enter their name, their email, and they will go automatically on your autoresponder sequence. So that's the goal of the description here. We need to use all the tools that we have, and this is another place where you can put the link to your website. The more places you have, you put and you register the URL to your website, the better, because you are putting that in front of millions of people, and that will help your company to grow and your website traffic to grow also, okay? I hope you like this. Let's go now to your Periscope app. And before we go to the next video, pause this course and write 2-3 lines here on your Periscope description with the message that will go to the heart of your followers, to the heart of your clients, okay? And share the link to your website. And after that, yes, everything is ready and we are ready to continue with the course. See you in the next video.